Yeah. Hi guys. Now I am going to discuss the question that is shortest path from one prime to another prime. Okay. I have already discussed some part which is required in this question, and that is how to find all the prime numbers less than a given number. Okay. First see that video, then come back here. Okay. We will use that function here. And now I will open Visual Studio Code to show you. Okay. Yeah, this was the code how to find the primes less than a given number. Now, here our first problem is to find if we take two numbers, then is it the prime numbers with only difference of single digit? Like, is it like 1033? If we take 1037, then if both are primes, then we'll check compare both things and we will find it they are differ by only one digit or not. Okay, so we'll take bool function compare of int number 1 comma int number 2. Okay, okay, now first we'll convert the both numbers into string and we'll check each character. Okay, convert and we'll store it into some variable as string s1 for first one. Convert it into string, we can use the inbuilt function as to string. Okay, and we will pass the input as number 1 and next one string s2, let's store in it s2 and we'll convert it into string num2. Okay, now we'll take the count variable to count which are different characters in s1 and s2 for each digit, which are different digits, how many number of different digits it has. Okay, we'll take as c equal to 0 as the count number and we'll check each character. Okay, okay, I will pause the video and I will write it firstly. Yeah, this was to check the each character or each digit. Okay, now if c is equal to 1, then we will return true because we only required to check is it differ by one digit or not. Okay, so we will return true, otherwise we'll return false. Okay, false. Yeah, and this was to compare two numbers. Okay, then now we will write the shortest path function. Shortest path. Okay, we'll take inputs as num1 and num2. Okay, let's take some vector to store all prime digit primes with 4 digits. Okay, let me take a okay, I'll pass this prime to prime vector to this function. Okay, here we'll take this as input as vector. Okay, I'll change this function. Okay, I have changed the input as vector and now we'll take n to be 999. Okay, sorry, 4 nines. Okay, why? Because we require all 4-digit primes. Okay, here instead of printing it, now we'll push it into the vector, taken vector. Okay, and for that, what we'll do, we already have the input, sorry, inbuilt function as pushback. Okay, to push into the vector. What we have to push, hmm? I, right? Okay, this I is the prime. Again, we'll come back to here and we'll call that function. I forgot the name. This primes of, we have to store the all primes into this vector. Okay, clear, right, till here? Now we'll take some adjacency list. You may think that what is the use of it. Okay, I will explain it clearly. Take adjacency list with the size of 4 nines. Okay, and we have to add the, let us with example I will explain. Let us take example as 1003 1033 1733 3733. I will write it. Okay, let's take the example that we have to move from 1033 to 8179. Then we'll store all the primes which differ by only one digit. With 1033 we'll store the all primes which differ by one digit. Okay, in this adjacency list. Okay, means at that, what I'll say, at that point, as in vector, if there are like 10, we can store in like 9000, we can store it at 1033 place, like that. Okay, okay. For that, let's write the class function for graph, representing graph. Okay, class graph, and we'll take in private variable some vector v, sorry, int v, and that is the number of primes we have to store. Okay, and vector int, okay, wait, with the size of capital V, right? And in public, I will write the function for adding edges. Okay, let's take int v1 comma int v2, and I will add the edge at this capital V1, and in vector we can do pushback, right? Pushback of what? Just v2. Okay, and we also add this v1 into v2. Okay, this is adding the edges. Okay, and we forgot to write the constructor. Okay, we'll write the constructor. Yes, sorry, graph of, we'll take the input as number of primes we have to store. Okay, here we'll write, we have to store it in this, right, this way. Okay, so here it is equal to v. Okay, now we'll use it here in this function. Okay, I will show you.